Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to edit the theme or appearance of your PS5. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's navigate to where it says Settings on the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down to where it says System. Scroll down even more, and then click on Appearance. Now from here, you have the adjustment to appearance and sound. So you can change it to a PlayStation default, a PlayStation 2 default, PlayStation 3, or PlayStation 4. So these are the different appearances that the PS5 comes with, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the appearance of your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.